Without it, I don't know if I'll be going to college right now.
The MAP grant provides financial aid to students, helping them afford the cost of college. Now, Governor Pritzker says he wants to make a historic investment into that program. His proposed budget would put $100 million more into the program.
But the budget doesn't just focus on investments in higher education. State Capitol reporter Theodora Coulivaris is live at the Capitol tonight. Theodora, the governor's budget also prioritizes early childhood education and child care as well.
Jessica, Governor Pritzker unveiled Smart Start Illinois, making major investments in those areas. And the guests he invited say investments in those areas and higher education have been very beneficial. Jay-Sean Smith is a student at UIS and a MAP grant recipient.
Without the MAP grant, I probably would be in and out, take a semester, take some years off. The MAP grant really allows me to stay in college, to focus on college, and honestly, it's likely that I probably wouldn't be in college if I didn't have it.
The governor allocated more money for MAP grants in the state, bringing total investments into the program to more than $700 million, up 75% from when he took office 5 years ago. He says that, along with Pell Grants, will enable students at or below the median level of income to attend the state's community colleges for free.
I think the governor realizes that there are a lot of people who would go to college if it wasn't for those obstacles.
On top of the governor's budget list, greater investments in early childhood education and child care through Smart Start Illinois, adding up to $250 million.
Those resources help us ensure that we're providing high-quality program to children and families.
In 2021, the state began a program offering unemployed people 3 months of child care. The Child Care Assistance Program helped Itanzia Dawson as she was looking for work.
It would have been more hard for me to even find help because my family is not big. So I don't have the extra help from people to keep my kids outside of them being in the center.
The budget breaks down the $250 million going to Smart Start for different items, putting $75 million into the Early Childhood Block Grant, $130 million for childhood care workforce compensation contracts, and giving an additional $45 million to other early childhood education and care programs. Reporting live at the Capitol, I'm Theodora Coulivaris, WCIA 3, your local news leader.
Theodora, thank you.